The weirdest thing in Vietnam, you have not seen it before.
Bakit nga ba pinaasa? Kaya ngayon'y naloloka. Vietnam, are you having fun right now? I wanna hear you scream louder! Very good, ang tagal ng stoplight. The stoplight is very low. Let's try another song. Another song. This is the Philippines #1 song in the Philippines top girl group. This is the girl group that inspired me to be better, to dream, believe, and survive.
Louder, speak louder, another song.
Okay. We're gonna do spaghetti.
You should do the...
Let's go. We have 10 seconds. Are you ready, Vietnam? Hey. O ano, Vietnam? Ready na ba kayo? Sige, simulan na. Appear tayo, sumakit ang pulo ko, sumakit ang pewa ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb. Appear tayo, sumakit ang pitit ko, sumakit ang tubod ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas ng pataas. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, spaghetti pababa, pataas. Makinig kayo, ayun ang aking masasabi. Appear tayo, sumakit ang ulo ko, sumakit ang bewa ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb. Appear tayo, sumakit ang tibli ko, sumakit ang bewa ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas ng pataas. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, spaghetti pababa, pataas. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening the Highway of Vietnam. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun with my concert.